How to properly clean a TV screen. Not all TV screens are the same. Some are made of thick glass, especially older models like tube televisions. Others are made of more fragile materials that can be easily damaged if you clean them incorrectly. Using Windex or other harsh cleaners can cause irreparable damage to most apartment screen TVs. Here is how to clean your TV without damaging it. To clean an apartment screen TV, first, turn it off and unplug it. Then, using a dry microfiber cloth suitable for electronics or glass, wipe off dust and dirt. For stains that are difficult to remove, you can dampen the cloth with distilled water and a small amount of soap. These steps will work for any LED, LCD, OLED, or plasma screen TV. However, we recommend you check your owner's manual if you still have it, or search for it online. Some TVs have very specific rules on how to properly clean the screen. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall outlet. Turning off your TV is safer, and you can see more dirt and smudges when it's unplugged TV. It also gives your TV a chance to cool down, so you can clean it better. Using a soft, dry microfiber cloth, gently wipe the screen in a circular motion to remove dust and smudges. Some TVs come with their own cleaning cloths. If you do not have this cloth, you can use an anti-static microfiber cloth like those used to clean eyeglasses, camera lenses, computer monitors, and records. Never use paper towels, tissues, or rags to clean your TV screen. These contain fibers that can leave scratches on your screen. Also, avoid pressing too hard on the screen. Pressing too hard on the screen can burn through the pixels. For hard-to-remove stains, dampen your cloth with distilled water. Never apply a cleaning solution directly to the screen. This can cause moisture to penetrate the seal around the screen and damage the electronics. You should only apply a cleaning solution to the cloth. If that does not work, use a solution of mild dish soap and distilled water. You should not need a lot of soap. In fact, Panasonic recommends only a solution of 1 part neutral detergent to 100 parts water. Using harsh cleaners, such as Windex and Formula 409, can react with the materials the screen is coated with, causing permanent discoloration of the screen. If you want to use a packaged screen cleaner, make sure it does not contain benzene, ammonia, alcohol, acetone, or other harsh chemicals. However, most of these HDTV screen cleaners are 99% water anyway.